Welcome back, dear children. Good morning. So, let us continue with Constituent Assembly. Can you see the picture of Dr. Rajendra Prasad? You can open your book also, children. So, India became free on August 15, 1947 from the clutches of Britishers. You all know. Before independence, the British used to rule over India. That also you know. So they had divided India into provinces. Provinces means what? Areas. India is very big, you all know. So there are many states in India. So provinces means various areas like Bombay, Bengal, Madras. For the convenience of the administration to rule over such a big country, it is very important to divide the areas for the easy administration, and the administration in these areas was carried out by the people's representative. Similarly, some areas prince were there and they used to look after the administration, and such areas were known as princely states. So some states were princely states and some were by the people's representative. So both the princely states and the representatives, they both were included in the constituent assembly. So how many people were there? There were total 299 members in the constituent assembly, and Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the president of the Constituent Assembly. Understood? Now we will see the role of Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar in making of Constitution of India. Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar was the chairman of the drafting committee. What is drafting committee? To make a copy, to make a early copy of a constitution. There were so many things included in the constitution. 299 members were there who gave their own suggestions to make the constitution of India. So, Baba Saheb Ambedkar was the head or the chairman of that drafting committee. And he had studied in depth. Depth means what? In details, the constitutions of different countries of the world also he studied. He studied them and contemplated. Contemplated means he think over these all constitutions of different countries thoroughly in details day and night, and then draft our constitution. Understood, you all? The draft constitution prepared by him was presented to the Constituent Assembly. It was discussed, each and every article was discussed. How many articles are there? 395 articles. So each and every article was studied and discussed. Many amendments were suggested by different members, means alteration, corrections. Before the final copy was made, some alterations, corrections were made. Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar handled the task of presenting the draft, answering the various questions raised by the other peoples. And accordingly, he also made changes. Are you getting it? As per the suggestions of the Constituent Assembly, each and every provision of the Constitution were made flawless. Due to his contribution towards the making of the Constitution, Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar is called the architect of the Indian Constitution. Are you getting it? There were 299 members who were included in this constituent assembly. But the chairman and the uh, who was the chairman? Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar of this drafting committee. So he was responsible of making changes, making alteration, giving answers to the questions asked by the other members, and therefore he was known as the architect of the Indian Constitution. There were 395 articles and 8 schedules in the original constitution. And finally, the Constituent Assembly enacted and adopted on 26th November 1949, and therefore 26th November is observed as Constitution Day. You all know the country began to be governed according to the provisions of this constitution from 26 January. So, the Indian Republic came into use or came into existence from this day, and therefore 26th January is celebrated as Republic Day. Republic. Earlier, Britishers were there, their rules were there, but after making the Constitution of India, this 26th January is celebrated as Republic Day. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Maulana Azad, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Sarojini Naidu were the members who all included in this committee. So, have you got it? What is the constitution? The rules of India. We all still follow this. Understood? So, here your lesson is completed and we will discuss the exercise in our next period. Till then, bye bye children. See you children.